what happens when one shoe becomes two shoes? Well, in English, it's pretty easy. You add an S, or I guess in this case, an ES. Sometimes you just keep it the same, like data. And sometimes you have a weird change, like mouse changes to mice, or goose changes to geese. In German, it's not quite that simple. So we're going to learn how to do plurals. So I think first off, we know that every word has a der, die, or das. And no matter what the word is, if it's der, die, or das, der Schuh, the article for a plural will be die. It's its own special kind of die, but it will be die. So don't forget that. So to find the plural of any noun, we're going to look in a dictionary. So I've got the word shoe, and if we look up shoe in the dictionary, we're going to see something like this. Shoe. That's the pronunciation. There's an M. The M stands for masculine because it's der Schuh. Then you're going to see this, ES with an E afterwards, this stuff in parentheses. The first thing is the genitive ending. You don't need that. Even when we learn genitive, you don't need it. You just need the second thing in parentheses, and that's the plural. So we have der Schuh. When we make it two shoes, we're going to add an E and make it die Schuhe. Die Schuhe. So here are some examples. You might see an E at the end, like in der Schuh, die Schuhe. You might have an EN. So here I have a pupa. And here's another pupa. Yes, the word for doll is pupa. And the plural of pupa is to add an N. So it'll be die Puppen. I'm not making this up, guys. It really is like that. And then we have ER with an umlaut. So sometimes you have to add an umlaut and an ER to the word. Buch does this, die Bücher. Sometimes you add an S, and sometimes with the dash, you don't add anything. You just change the article from der, die, or das to die. So for example, it's das Mädchen, but when we have two girls, it just becomes die Mädchen. Sometimes we add an N, like with die Blume becomes die Blumen. Or maybe we have die Brille, which becomes die Brillen. Whoa, cool. All right, so that's how you do a plural.